so it's double-sided with insulation in between. With 97% reflectivity, you're way above the other options on the market. Hi, I'm Brady with Arctic Insulation Solutions, and I'm here today to talk to you about radiant barrier foil. So there are all kinds of radiant barriers out there. Radiant barrier paint, radiant barrier foil, tech shield that's already adhered to the roof deck. So the thing about radiant barrier foil is it has the highest reflectivity. This radiant barrier reflects 97% of radiant heat, and it has the additional layer of insulation between the two sheets of foil. So it's double-sided with insulation in between. With 97% reflectivity, you're way above the other options on the market. Radiant barrier paint will do at most 80%. That's if it's applied perfectly even and installed perfectly, then maybe it'll do 80%. And so it's gonna cool your attic down a lot less. Additionally, tech shield on your roof that's already adhered to the roof deck, it comes out of the factory rated to reflect 90% of radiant heat, and then they drive 1,000 nail holes through it. So it's all chipped up, and you don't get the air gap. With the radiant barrier foil, it goes on the underside of your roof joist, creating a 5.5-inch air gap, and radiant heat is heat that travels through air. So that air gap helps the radiant barrier foil to bounce the heat back into the atmosphere more effectively than the other options on the market.